So I just got up to Kaufman Flats and it just started to rain a little bit. There was a 40% chance that this might happen, so we got it. But I'm gonna take the canoe off, leave it here, and then we're gonna bike up from, I forget. I'll let you know when I think of it, or when we're there. Riverbend Park. No, Victoria Street. Victoria Street. So I just drove to the J.A. Pollock Family Trailway, and I got my bike, and I'm gonna bike back up to Kaufman Flats. The rain stopped, so that's nice for me. Hopefully it holds off for the rest of the day. It is now 7:15, biking for 45 minutes, and we're at Kiwanis. So we just have a short bit more to go. Yay, the canoe's still there. Go get the canoe and bring her down. think this has to be one of my favorite sections of river. It's easy to navigate. The put in and take out are super accessible. You don't really feel like you're in the city. Water moves fast enough. It's just really nice. Especially in the morning. You get the sunrise off on the left-hand side of the river. It was pretty overcast today, so I didn't see a lot of sun, but it's still really nice. It can get a little shallow at times though, so if you're doing this in August, you might have to drag your canoe over a couple sections and watch out for rocks. Just nicely getting started. 20 to 8. Oh, look at deer. Oh, that's good. One deer so far. Last time we were out in the morning we saw 3, so hopefully we'll see another one. Got some turkeys over there. Didn't even notice them until I heard them gobble. See how close we can get to them. Heading off back into the bush. So we're just coming up now to the Riverbend Park access point. This is one of our favorite places to go to. So from Kaufman Flats to Riverbend it's a good distance for the kids. Being by myself, I felt like I wanted to go a little bit farther. So I decided to go to Victoria Street, which is another like about 4 kilometers. Yeah, so we've gone 7 now, and we have another 4 to go. It's shallow here. Feels like the clouds are rolling in again. Got a little chilly, a little bit of mist in the air. Hoping we finish this before we get wet again. Rain stopped just as I was getting my bike out. And it hasn't really started. A bit of mist in the air, but it's been a beautiful paddle so far. Just coming up to Bingemans now. River's a little wider here, a little slower moving. We have these shipping containers that they've turned into little cabins. Kind of cool. Like to stay in there sometime. Alright, we're just coming up to Victoria Street here. Just up here on the right is where I'm going to take out. So we put in the water at 7:25. It is now 9:13. Just over 2 hours. great. I think I can just get out anywhere along here. This looks like good fun. Well worn. All right. Yeah. That's good. Cool. Somebody wants to stop paddling. One last ride up to the van, and we'll be good to go. I'm not sure which way is actually best to go. We'll go this way. Riding the bike is better for deciding instead of deciding while carrying the canoe. Yeah, I think we made the right choice. A few more people here since we left. A lot of people out enjoying the trails. All right. No wonder my binder lifts.